Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to change two parts of my Acura TL, my 2005. The first one is the speed sensor, and the part number is 28810-PPW-013. And the second part I'm going to change is the transmission filter, and I'm going to show you guys where the location is. I'm going to be swapping it out. That part number here is 25450-RAY-003. So the first step you have to do is take out these engine covers. There's one here, and you just basically pry it out. And just leave that out of the way. The transmission filter is actually behind this air duct right here, so you got to remove the air duct as well. You know, there's like 4 bolts that's holding it. So that's the first one, that's the second one, there's a third one right behind there, and this is the last one. And then you just gotta take a 10mm, unscrew that clamp, and take a pair of pliers, remove the air vent hose right there, and we're just gonna take that off first. I'm gonna show you the locations, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I got the battery and air filter housing out. So the transmission filter is located right here. So there is, I think, 2 or possibly 3, it's probably 3 bolts. So this is the first 2 are up here, and I think there's one on the bottom. Now if we can take a shot of it. Yeah, there's one over in the bottom. So I think it's 10mm bolts that you gotta remove that. And there's the big one, I think it's about like we say 17, but I will make sure. And then the speed sensor is located right here. So this one is pretty much a tab. You gotta take this out, and there's a 10mm bolt here. Remove it, and it'll come out. So I'll be right back. All right, so I got the bolt removed, and this just comes out. You just probably gotta wiggle it a little bit. All right, I might need 2 hands, but you can see here the tab is out, and then the bolt is out. All right, so I'm gonna need probably 2 hands, and this basically just remove it and just take out the old one and install the new one. All right guys, so I got the speed sensor removed, and this is the new one. So basically you just slide it back in, connect the connector, put the bolt in on the right side here, and that's about it. It was kind of hard for me to get out because it was stuck on there. I had to get pliers, and actually when I tried to take it out, it actually broke, and I'll show you what it looks like. So the old sensor here just broke. I had to use pliers because it was like welded in there really tight. So you know, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna throw it out, and you just gotta replace the sensor, and I'll put the new one into that socket. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, so I got the filter removed. As you see here, this is the old filter. It's really black. I would say the toughest part is getting that bottom screw out. It took me a while because you know, there's not much room to try to get the screw out. You just got to take your time basically. And this is the old filter is really dirty. It's, you know, I don't think it has ever been changed. This car has like 106,000 miles, and as you can see here, this is what it looks like clean. So we're gonna just reinstall it back, and we're gonna put it back together. And after you're done, you're probably gonna need to refill some of your transmission fluid because it does leak out. Just check the dipstick. The bolt, the drain plug is right there for the transmission. So just unscrew that and just refill your transmission fluid levels. All right, so I'm going to put this back together and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. I actually put the filter and all the bolts back into the housing. It just takes a little bit of time. This is a little quick guide or quick advice. You're probably going to need these gear wrenches right here, because if you use a regular socket, it's not going to fit as well. So this one is a gear wrench. It actually turns when you pull it up or down, or you tighten it or loosen it. So this is the best tool to use. You know, if you don't have one, I suggest probably maybe get one or borrow one. And it's going to make it a lot easier than use the socket, because you're not going to have much space, as you can see here, for the socket and ratchet. All right, so that's how you change the transmission filter and speed sensor. All right, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.